Yes, thank you, universe. I am Manju Ali here to tell you about my life. How did I undergo transformation? I'll tell you a brief background about myself. I was born in Srinagar, Kashmir, and studied there all along and brought up in a business class family. And in this business class family, education was given a top priority, and there was no discrimination between the boy and girl. We are girls in the family. So our parents made it a priority to give education to the girls. And by the grace of universe, I completed my education there and finally got married, which is the dream of every girl. And luckily I got married into a family of people who loved me the most, trusted me the most, and had lots of hope on me. And in this family of my in-law side, my husband was the greatest boon behind me. He was the greatest support with me. I went to Dubai with my husband because he was working there, and the beautiful life there I enjoyed to my best. And during this time I stayed in Dubai, I got a very good job, a lucrative job in one of the senior secondary schools. So life was rolling, partying, enjoying, seeing Dubai and having a beautiful married life with my lovely husband. As days rolled by, I conceived. By the grace of universe, I entered into another chapter of my life, the motherhood, which is the most sacred, the most divine, the most beautiful, the most lovely period of one's life. And that was me. There was a life inside me in my womb. 9 months were really lovely, nurturing my child, giving food to my child, singing lullabies to my child, and praying to universe that everything should be fine. And finally, on the 25th of May 1997, I delivered a baby boy in the Al Wasl Hospital of Dubai. A lovely period of our life. Me and my husband, our families, rejoiced, enjoyed. The baby was cesarean born, and I could not see my child that day. And next day, when I recovered from my sedation, I saw the beautiful child in the cradle next to me. I thanked universe. I thanked Almighty for the motherhood He had given me, for the lovely, beautiful child He gave me. He was named Anugrah by my father-in-law, peace be to him. Anugrah means the blessings from Almighty, and he really is a blessing to us. As days rolled by again, Anugrah started growing, and he was 11 months, he fell sick. He had high-grade fever and upper respiratory tract infection. So he was rushed to the hospital and he was given medication. Could not celebrate his first birthday as we had designed. But see, nothing is in our hands. Human being frames a plan, but its execution is from above, from the universe. Since he was not well, so we could not celebrate his birthday. So this went on, he recovered, he was fine, and finally he became 2 years. I sent him to the preschool. I was also working there, and we suddenly discovered, we became suspicious, me and my husband, that he was not talking. So we went to the doctors, his pediatrician. He underwent a number of tests, psychologists, therapists, neonatologists, everybody. And it was diagnosed that Anugrah has mild autism. Autism? It was a new word to me. It was a new word to my husband, because I had never thought about this period coming to my life. And when the doctor explained, the psychologist explained what is autism, honestly telling you, the sky fell on us. The sky fell on us. Having the first baby in the family, and that too now with a disability. There were a number of infinite questions in my mind, in my husband's mind. We were practically shattered at this point of time. But now things went by and I realized that Manju, this is not the thing to be done. Manju, you have to grow, you have to move, and you have to show to the world that you did it. I shook myself. I stopped thinking about it. And I said, I'm going to transform this life. Respect Anugrah to the utmost. Give him a beautiful life. Almighty chose my womb for my son. Then why not I will transform his life. I went to the therapist, the speech therapist, learnt everything of my own. And then started training Anugrah. I used to walk on the streets, talk to him like a normal child. I used to go to the beaches, build the castles there with Anugrah and talk to him. I understood Anugrah. I never considered any sort of disability in Anugrah. I explained to my husband, he is our child. Almighty has designed this for us. Universe designed this. So this is our duty to respect this life and transform it. Started working on Anugrah, teaching him, moving him around, took him anywhere, everywhere. I started dancing in the birthday parties, musical chairs myself, because initially Anugrah was hypersensitive to sound. So I removed his hypersensitivity. He started studying. I came down to India, went to a beautiful school, Model Academy, where he got his education. He did his class 12. He did his education, his computer science, and he has a passion for music. Anugrah is the best personality I have transformed in my life. He's the best child, independent in all fields, friends. This is what we need to do. We need to respect. He earned a license recently of his driving license. He's independent of going everywhere. Because I trusted him, I trusted myself, I trusted Anugrah, and my husband trusted both of us. So that trust, that affirmation, that dedication, that gratitude to the universe above helped me to work with Anugrah, and he's here before everyone. Now see friends, challenges come in life and we should not give up on challenges. We should accept the challenges and work on the challenges. That is the mantra of life. That is the message of life. You should pay dedication. You should be dedicated. You should pay your gratitude to the universe for giving you this beautiful life. You should appreciate all those people who helped you. Only then things turn out to be beautiful. If you don't respect yourself, you don't think that you have a wonderful personality with you, you don't think that you've come here with a cause, and this cause you have to show to the world that you can do it. I did it, and I'm hopeful that other special parents will also do it. Yes, thank you, universe.